Hi thinkers, welcome to the data science course on ThinkX Academy. This is the first video of this course, and in this video I'm going to give you a whole roadmap of data science. So here I have prepared a whole roadmap that comes from my experience. I've created some projects in Python using data science also, so I have a good idea of what exactly is a beginner friendly path. So this roadmap is definitely going to help you a lot in this career. And the important part is everything that I will discuss in this roadmap, in this whole roadmap, we are going to I will create videos related to all of these concepts, so you do not need to worry about where you should get started, right? So all the videos will come in this data science playlist on this channel and also on our website thinkxacademy.com. So you will be able to get a good place where you can study all of these concepts and master data science. So let's start with the roadmap now. So the first important thing is that we are going to use Python programming for the entire data science course, and we will be using very important Python libraries that will help us perform data science tasks like data pre-processing, analysis, etc. Right? So the first thing is I've divided this whole roadmap in three very important phases, and these phases are very important because they go from beginner to intermediate to advanced level, right? So here we will start with the first video. The first video that will come in the course is going to be an introductory video. So first you need to get familiarized with what exactly is data science. So I will be discussing about all that in the introduction video. Then we will move to the second video, which is on Kaggle.com. Kaggle.com is a very important website, and it is just like a GitHub. You have if you have used GitHub is for developers where there are repositories and code. Similarly, we have Kaggle.com, which consists of various types of data sets and a lot of projects also. So I will give you a tour of the whole Kaggle.com in the video itself, right? So make sure to subscribe our channel also, because whenever the videos in this course will come, you will get notified. And now let's move on to the next part, which is the pandas data frame. So pandas is also another very important library, and it is the whole it is very important when we want to perform data analysis and pre-processing. So I will first give a very basic introduction to pandas data frame and all the important functions that I faced in projects also. So you will be able to get a good idea of what are the things that you need to learn and not focus on different things, right? So let's consider pandas data frame. There are so many functions that are available, so you don't need to study that because I have selected the most important ones, and as we will move on in this course, we will uncover some more important data frames also, right? So next is the NumPy library. Now this NumPy library is very important. It consists of two parts. One is the NumPy arrays. So I will create, this course will include a video on NumPy arrays, which will define all the important functions and how we can implement arrays in Python. The second video will come on numerical analysis. So how you can perform mathematical operations like mean, standard deviation. You can use NumPy for that, and that we will discuss in that video. So now this is the end of phase 1. This phase 1 is very important for beginners. This phase is very important to set up the basics and the basic building block of your data science career, right? Now let's move on to the second phase, which is a data pre-processing phase. So basically data pre-processing is actually processing the data before it is deployed for analysis, right? So we will be doing data analysis, data visualization, but before that we need to make sure that the data is cleaned up and is only the information that is relevant for the analysis part is only there, right? So for that we are going to perform the pre-processing tasks. We will do data aggregation, sampling, dimensionality reduction, feature selection, discretization and binarization. Then we will move on to data visualization, and we will use some important libraries like Seaborn, Matplotlib library. There are some more libraries also which we will include in this course, right? So next we will move on to a very important phase, which is phase 3. Phase 3 is all about machine learning. So data science includes machine learning also, and if you're already a subscriber on this channel, you might know that I've already created a whole machine learning playlist on this channel. So if you want, you can actually go there, and from phase 3 you can actually start from there. We have a whole machine learning playlist where I've discussed classification and machine learning models, neural networks. And what are the things that are there in this data science courses? I've included some more things like decision trees, SVMs, random forest classification, and obviously for more things, like if you are interested in machine learning and you want a dedicated phase 3 of machine learning, you can follow the machine learning playlist as well. So the last step is practicing. As you will see, there are so many projects, and data science is basically a skill that you need to develop yourself. There are no predefined ways on how you can become good at data science. It all depends on your creativity, on how you have used these tools and how much knowledge you have. So the more you practice on different projects in the whole course, also for different concepts I will be choosing different projects, so you will get a good idea of what will happen, that if you have different data sets, how will you handle a particular thing in that, right? So it's very important, and this course is actually going to be a professional course. Subtitles will be there, so you do not need to worry. You can also watch subtitles, and understanding will become more better. So in order to appreciate my hard work, make sure to subscribe this channel ThinkX Academy and keep supporting us by sharing our content. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.